Okay, so let's start here now. So if you can see behind me, this is going to be my bonus page. So I'm not going to go through all these bonuses. I'm just going to leave a link below the video and just make sure you go through here and check out my bonus page. Okay, so what we'll do right now is we'll go ahead and grab the video that I'm actually going to use, which is this video here. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a short video that I made with Clipman. So we're gonna actually upload that video to Vidyz. So let's go to Vidyz here and go to my folders here. So when you log on in, you'll see all your tutorial videos appear, your GIFs, your slides, your my videos. You just click on my videos and you can go to my folders. And I've not even been using this software platform for it hasn't even been a complete month, so I'm just uploaded a few videos and just totally loving it. But say I'm gonna do say a Shopify video here, which I've already uploaded one, but let's just go ahead and upload one for just the sake of this video so I can show you how it works. Move that over a little bit and we're gonna go ahead and click upload and we'll put it in Shopify. I put it in that folder there. We're gonna choose right here the Shopify video here. Let's see if I can make that a little bit bigger there for you. That over there. Okay. Shopify videos, and then we're going to choose file, and then we're going to go to the little video I just showed you on the desktop, the Clipman video. Okay, so we got that one. So then we're going to upload it. It really doesn't take very long as your video is not, super long. If it is, it'll take the appropriate time. So we'll wait while it uploads. And then also there are tutorials up here that will show you that if how to upload longer videos and by decreasing the resolution of the video, and it actually doesn't make your video look any different, and so it just makes it easier for your video to load on your site, and it doesn't cause a lot of bandwidth. But Brett walks you through that. The tutorial is pretty easy, pretty simple to do, and I actually will make a video showing you how I do my videos when they're longer videos, and I save them in like 1280 by 720 HD. Well, there's a way that you can actually make that like 650 or 560. It just makes it a lot easier to upload in Vidyz. Excuse me, and it doesn't cost a lot of bandwidth when you put it on your site, because a lot of people are watching videos on your site via mobile, and a lot of times your video play actually it's not very doesn't need to be very robust. So like it says right here, max video upload size is 250 megabytes. Your video must be in .mp4 format, so keep that in mind as well. But again, you can get all that information by watching the tutorial, and I'll be making other videos also showing how I do that as well. Okay, so looks like the video has been uploaded. I'll go to my folders, and you'll see here it's got 2 videos now under Shopify, and here's that video that I just uploaded. So we can actually take a look at it here. It said view video. Get me out of the way right here. So view video here, and then you just click on that and see the Vidyz logo. So like say if you just buy the front end offer, you'll have the powered by Vidyz, and you'll have the Vidyz logo, and you won't be able to brand your videos, but that's okay. I mean, you still can embed these on your website. So basically, you just play here, and then it plays the video. Okay. Now, say if you did buy the first upsell, and you want to go in here and you want to customize this, you can click right there, and then you can actually this right here, you'll be able to do this first part here even without the first upsell, this is how you change the bar color. You do the videos controls. So do you want this control showing or do you not? Do you want autoplay or do you not? You can click yes or no. So if somebody lands on your site and you want that video to just automatically play, then you would click like say yes, and then fix specific dimensions. If you want this to be mobile responsive, so you want to click this right here. So that way when you go to let's show the controls as well, and then let's generate the code and see. That's all you have to do, and then just copy and paste this into your WordPress site. You just copy all of this and you paste it. But also over here, show you if you want to create a video page for this video. So basically, Video Vidyz will host this video for you. Then you want to click here, and then it's going to give you the option to. This is where if you bought that first upsell, you'll be able to brand your lower third right here. So let me get this right over here so you can get a better look. So basically right here, instead of saying powered by Vidyz, you could say something like, you know, my Shopify store. And then you can link to like a Shopify store. Let me go over here just to grab in Google some kind of, let's say here, compression, which I've done this before, compression socks, Shopify. See right here, we'll do that because I've done that and I've looked at, that's how I got, you know, these images and stuff. And I was actually gonna sell compression socks at one time, and I think I put that off. So let's just grab one of these people here that has a Shopify store or something like that. Let's see who this is. I don't know who that is, but say we're gonna come here to this store here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the URL to this site, copy that, and then I'm gonna go back to my my Vidyz, and I'm going to paste the URL here. Okay, paste it there, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the video public, so that I have to do yes in order for, remember that link I just clicked to have Vidyz hosted? I'm going to put yes. So basically, and let's go ahead and save the settings first. I just want to show you how this looks, and then we're gonna then I'm going to do something else different to the video and show you how that looks. Okay, so right here, integrate this video. So now you'll see there's a link here, and that's because I made it public. So then when I click this link here, it'll take me to my page, right? So this is my little brand logo, and this is the actual title, which I can change as well. I'll go back and show you how to do that. But basically, this is the page. So this is all I did. And you remember my Shopify store, if you click this, that right there will take them directly to your store. And that's right there on your video. Okay, so let's go back, and then we have the controls here. They can look here, play, and remember this, you can embed this all on your website, right? Okay, so let's go back and let's do something different. Let's go here. Let's go back to my videos, go back to my folder, my Shopify folder, and then let's go change a little something here with this video. Actually, let's go right here. Let's edit it. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take this site. I want to take the site, go ahead and get rid of it, and I'm going to get rid of any lower thirds, okay? And then I'm going to go to also up here. This is where the name was. So let's just go ahead and change that. Compression socks galore. Okay, and then let's do let's make this here. Let's redirect. This is my favorite one of my favorite features here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. This is going to be the redirect at the end of the video. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you've got an option to do the redirect at the end, or you can put it in your lower third. You can put a page button link text and link, or you can use a slider. Okay, and you can also put what time you want it to show in the video. So let's go ahead and watch this video, and yeah, let me see here. Let's go ahead and watch it on the actual site, and then watch it play, and then watch it redirect. Okay, so that kind of just give you, see how the title changed as well. Pretty simple, and you can actually upload your logo as well, and I'll show you how to do that as well in just a moment. So let's go ahead and play this video and watch what happens at the end of it. You'll see no lower thirds. Okay, obviously we're not taking them to list mark, but we're taking them voila. You didn't even have to click a button, right? It just automatically redirected them to this site again that I put in there. So also, like I told you, you could change the color bar. So if you didn't want red, just click on this and make it white, you know, if that's what you wanted. And again, just generate your code, and you can change that a code on your website just that easily. If we let's go ahead and go back to where we edit the actual video. I'll show you one more thing. So Shopify, then we're gonna go move me out of the way. Not too much out of the way. Let's see here if I can find me. Don't know where I went. Okay, so we're gonna go here to compression sock score, and then say we're gonna change the page button text. Say we want a page button text. So let's say, just to show you how this looks, watch. Wait, no, come visit. Let's say visit my Shopify store today. And then we put that little link again, and we go ahead and save the video, and then we go to check out the video again. Let's see if we're just looking at it here. See how the bar color changed? Actually, I want to show you on the actual store because I actually changed put the page button. So right there, see how that looks. So if you have it hosted by Vidyz, you'll be able to put a button here, and they click on that. And so if you didn't want the button in here, they can click on that, and that would lead to the same place. But there you go. So it plays. That's it. And you click right here. Okay. All right, pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty cool, and you can change a lot. You can change a lot of this, all the stuff. You know, the colors. Brand it to that control bar was still went back to red, but I could have changed that to white. But you can basically brand all of that according to your own logo and so forth. So that is how you upload a video to Vidyz. And again, these tutorials here are going to walk you through saving bandwidth, which makes it a lot easier to upload your videos. So he'll go through here. The videos are not very long. They're self-explanatory, very easy to understand. This goes through the video settings, which is part of what I just explained to you as well. Video pages, creating GIFs. So if I wanted to, we might as well do this in this video. Go ahead and create a GIF from that actual video. So I'm gonna go back to my Shopify store. I'm gonna actually go over here to where it says my GIFs or GIFs, however you want to say it, and you see I have other GIFs that have already been generated from other videos that I've created, but I just uploaded this one, so I don't have one yet. So I want to create a GIF here. So then what happens is I click on create GIFs. This is the video here of the video that I just uploaded, and these are 3 seconds in length. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and play it to where I want it to start. So say if, ooh, that was pretty cool. So say I wanted to start right at the 1 minute mark, and then what I'll do is I'll click create GIF. Okay, and voila, the GIF has been created. Now you may want to give it a couple seconds, just a few seconds to make sure that it's ready. But I can view it here. If it's ready, it'll show. This is a really cool feature. You have to, I believe, have the first upsell in order to get that. But okay, so check out, that's the GIF. So that way, if you wanted to put this on Facebook, as a image video, it have a little play now button kind of thing. It makes people want to play it. So that'll be like your image right there. That's your GIF. So and you can actually set it as your video thumbnail. So yeah, so it encourages people to play the video. It actually increases conversion. You can also you can actually right click, and then you can you can copy. I mean, you can save image as on your computer. So this will save your GIF, and you can upload it to Facebook or what tweet, wherever, Pinterest, Instagram, and you can delete it and then do another GIF. So yeah, but that's pretty much how you upload and configure your video settings, and how you create a GIF with this software as well. So yeah, I hope this video has been informative and helpful. And again, if you want to see another more complete walkthrough of Vidyz, as I've done other tutorials, then feel free to watch the video above you. Also, I will leave the link to my bonus page so that you can see all the bonuses that you're going to get when you purchase Vidyz through my affiliate link. All right, I hope that you've enjoyed this Vidyz review, bonus, and demo walkthrough, and I'll see you in the next video.